babes, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed these flawless micro links. If you're interested, keep watching. This hair was sent to me by Ywigs. These are the bundles. I got a 16-inch, a 14-inch, and a 12-inch. As you can see, they are already looped with the hair is super duper soft, so I'm really excited to see how it's all gonna blend. And your girl been missing her hair, so I'm all around excited just to be able to shake and feel a little bit brush against my neck, to be honest. I'll be leaving all of the information to this hair down in the description below. A lot of you guys were asking, if y'all could do like box braids instead of having to do the links, I guess. I didn't really understand the question too much, but no. There's really no other way around using the beads. That's what makes the micro links. If you did anything other than beads, like braids, you might as well just do a regular traditional sewing, to be honest. I'm going to just hop right into the video. I'm just gonna go through and section out my leave out. Because my hair is so short, I don't think that I'm gonna do a part. I think I'm gonna just do it to where I can just flip it over to either side. Do a half up, half down, and maybe be able to put it up in the bun and the ponytail and stuff. Just going to go around and section out my perimeter. I want to make sure that I leave out enough to cover over the beads. So parting it off, I'm gonna show you how I do this real fast. Basically, whatever section of hair that you part out, put the tail of the comb in between your part, flip the hair over, and if you can see the tail of the comb through the hair, you don't have enough hair out. You need to leave out more leave out. There, I probably need more hair right there, but the middle right here, I have enough hair out right there. That's good. I'm not gonna see the track or the bead. Do that around the entire perimeter of my head. Bag everything came in the bundles. These are the loops. This is one by itself. Those of you guys that watched my braidless sewing tutorial, this basically is this. These are already looped. It saves me the extra step, so I'm hoping it's not going to take as long as it usually does. Jumping right into it, I'm about to take my first thin section. You want to work in thin sections here. You don't want to squeeze too much hair into the bead. Either A, it won't fit, or trying to squeeze it into that one little bead will break off your hair and it will cause a lot of shedding, and we don't want that. So I'm going across, taking a very thin section to start working off of. I'm going to try to explain this the best way I can. So my thumb and pointer finger are already through the loop. I'm going to pinch my real hair to pull that through, and then these two little beads that you see, pinching them with both hands, they're going to be pulled in opposite directions. So one being pulled upward and the other one being pulled down, and just that easy, your loop is on. I really hope I explained that well enough. If not, I'm definitely going to be doing this a lot more. So just keep watching, and I'm sure the more you watch, the more it'll make sense to you. And if not, always leave me your questions down in the comment section. Once I have my bead where I want it, I'm just going over top and I'm going to squeeze down with my pliers to make sure that the bead is secure and it's not going nowhere. There you have your first extension in. If you cannot pull this up and down, and if it's not comfortable, just take those pliers and readjust it until it's comfortable in your head. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. I just went off camera and just did majority of my head so this video wouldn't be an hour long. All of this that's in my head right now is still just one bundle. I'm not even on the second bundle yet, so you can see how thick and full the hair is. I'm just going to speed through the rest and let you guys watch and observe. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life. want that. I want that. Yeah. We'll never fall out of love with you. I'm down to my last bundle. This is the 12-inch. Last little bit of hair. Thank God. Like, it took all day and all night. All right, all of the links are in. Oh my God. I just did them all going back, and the hair around my perimeter is just gonna fold over it. So I'm going to go wet this down, and I'll be back to put product in it and fuse and all that good stuff. So the products that I'm going to use is Carol's Daughter. I have the Curl Shaping Cream Gel. I love this. And the Cocoa Cream Intense Moisture Set and Reset. It's like a setting spray, but this is really good too. And it smells amazing. I love Carol's Daughter.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she got the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna.
Before it gets too dry, I wanna see what else I can do with it. I wish I gotten it longer. The hair is so nice.
Live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Yeah, my baby, some action. These days, oh my yeah, it'll be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, no second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be.
This is how the hair looks after it's dry mostly. It's so cute. It matches perfectly with my texture. The hair is so soft. It took me about 7-8 hours to do my whole head. It's only been a month and a half since I cut all my hair off, and I was already starting to miss my hair, so I'm satisfied. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks again to Ywigs for this amazing hair. Let me know if you want to see how I maintenance it. I'll be leaving the link to this specific hair in the description down below if you guys want to check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in the next video.